My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new adware called LogState. LogState stands for a new adware attacking many Mac computers these days. And this adware is from the adload family of adware type infections. This particular adware, once installed, starts displaying the huge portion of pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So if this LogState was somehow installed to your computer, make sure you get rid of this adware. This adware, as I said, may also periodically redirect the browser to all kinds of other dangerous pages in the internet. So the only correct conclusion in this case is to get rid of this adware as soon as you can. To remove it manually, here's what you need to do. Check your Finder, check your applications, find this LogState, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. By going to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install it, and start researching the system to detect and remove other threats from your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.